Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can write a professional resume with ChatGPT. Now you can use a free version of it, 3.5, or if you have a subscription plus, then you can use a GPT-4. Today we're going to use a free version and we're going to use a lot of prompts. So I will leave those prompts in the description for you below. You can check them out and use them. Now, first things first, you need to go ahead and introduce yourself to ChatGPT and create like a draft resume. So you want to provide your basic information about yourself, provide a brief summary of your academic professional background, and also some key skills and qualifications. So for example, we're going to use this prompt and we're going to go ahead and copy this. We're going to go ahead and apply for some data analyst job, and this is gonna be a job, a resume for data analyst specialist. So we're gonna go ahead and now paste it here. Now you're gonna ask ChatGPT to be experienced resume writer, and here's some information about me. Ask me questions if you need to know anything else to write a professional resume. So now you're going to write down where you have graduated, from which institution, in what year, and your job titles and company name and when you have worked, some main responsibilities and what you were in charge of at your job, and some key hard skills and soft skills, and also if you have a license and certification for something. So you want to go ahead and fill out this information. Now I have written this resume. Now you're going to ask it to write your resume. Now you will see that it will write just a simple resume for you, and we will need to upgrade it now. So first of all, you want to go ahead and ask ChatGPT for ways to improve your resume. But what you want to do now is go ahead and ask for add some additional qualifications. So for example, professional academic achievements you have, certifications, licenses, awards, professional development or continuing education, and some technical skills. If you have those, you want to go ahead and write to the to ChatGPT. Now we're going to use a prompt number 2, which is that you will provide the achievements for ChatGPT. So I will provide you additional achievements to include in my resume. As an expert resume writer, please update the resume and incorporate each achievement into the most appropriate section of the resume. So now we're gonna go ahead and write down those those achievements. So here it is, some achievements we just wrote. Let's put it here. And it will basically now incorporate where it fits. Just make sure to write it down very, very specific, so it would know where to put it. Now, we also need to go ahead and ask ChatGPT for the ways to improve your resume and then rewrite it. So you just go ahead and enter this prompt. Please provide a list of suggestions how to improve this resume in sections and work experience bullet points. Include some strong action verb is improving the structure of sentences and highlighting more of my skills, and so on and so forth. And then you can also first of all just ask this, and when it will rewrite it, then you want to go ahead and write down, please rewrite the resume and incorporate your suggested improvements. And once it will be done, what we can also do is go ahead and make sure that your resume fits your job description where you apply to. So for example, you are applying for some other company, and for example, hiring for, and let's write down data analyst. And maybe let's write down senior. For example, you are applying for this job. Please take a look at this and your resume title. And now, please take a look at this. Maybe Google job description, and identify the 10 most important qualifications and skills for candidates to have this role. Maybe let's again copy and paste this one. And something like so. And here is the job listing. And now you want to go ahead and paste the job description and requirements for the job you're applying to. Now here it is, and let's put it there. And now it will basically make your resume fit this job description. Of course, never put a sensitive data to the to ChatGPT. Then you just copy this, paste it to your document, and edit it, and add your own sentences, maybe, and your information. And make sure to check everything that ChatGPT has generated. So that's basically it, guys. I'm gonna leave the prompts in the description below, as I said. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.